Hello there. I have a few paints left over from my previous video, just small amounts, so I thought I would use them up on a small canvas doing a bottle bottom pour. That's my bottle bottom, and I'll just pop it into the middle of that. I've got titanium white paint on my canvas already, and I thought I would pour the colours over that until I have a few petals on there, and then I will blow them out either with my small leaf blower or a straw. So I'm going to start pouring the colours now. I have got silver, vermilion, green, blue, red, burgundy, yellow and violet, but I don't know if I will use all those colours. You'll see me using the colours as I put them down. I think my bottle bottom might be a little bit crooked too, so it'll be interesting to see how the flower petals come out. Right, so I'm going to start with the green and pour the rest of the colours over the bottle bottom. Okay, I walked away for 5 minutes just to let the colours spread. As you can see, they have spread a little bit well. I'm just going to remove the bottle bottom now, and look at that, my goodness. I'm just going to do a few colours in the middle just to try and keep up with what is already there. Just a dot of yellow, a dot of this one here, which is the burgundy, and run my spatula through it slightly just to give it a bit of a twist around. Okay, now I am going to get my mini leaf blower and start to blow. I'm going to try it first, and if it's too powerful then I'll use a straw. Right, that's that bit done. Now for the middle piece, and I'm going to, actually no, I will try this, but I'm going to hold it up. I was going to get my blow dryer and use the snub nose on it, but I think it'll be too powerful. So I'm going to hold this up quite high, or as high as I need to. I hope the camera can pick this up, and I'm going to spin it slowly as I blow. Okay, and to finish off, I'm going to give it a bit more of a spin just to bring those colours out. My circle, of course, is completely gone now. I'm not really calling it a flower as such, but I'm going to spin it a little to get rid of some of that paint, and yes, hopefully bring some more of the colour out. Oh, before I do though, just a bit of a torch. I've got a lot of little bubbles there. They're slowly popping themselves, but the torch will help with the rest of that. Okay, and spin. To try blowing a straw in the middle here. I just want to see if I can bring a little bit more of that white back up again. I might actually put a dab of white into the middle and blow it through. Just to give it the extra white it needs. Ah, yes. Okay, now I want some of the multicolours on that. Oh wow, I'm very pleased with that so far. It's just so bright and pretty, and I hope it stays that bright and pretty. Lost some of the silver in there, unfortunately. I was hoping for a bit more, as the silver comes out quite nicely with those colours, but I'm going to spin it a little further and see if I can get any more of the paint off. And before I start, I'm just going to colour the corners rather than leaving them white, so that encourages the paint to go over as well, because I want the whole canvas now basically coloured with only a small amount of white.